of a house. The high wind also brought down a number of trees like this one that landed onto a home. A town nearby, a woman was also leaving this mobile home when winds turned it over on her car. She was taken to the hospital but is expected to be okay.
And just hours earlier, that same storm system spawned a tornado as it went through New Mexico. This video is from the Hagerman area just south of Roswell. Several homes are damaged and injuries are reported there.
Boy,
Incredible.
that looks like a wide one there, Doug.
Yeah, it really does.
So we are talking about this storm system out west, and I think we just hear storm system, and so we put a negative connotation with it, but this is actually helping improve the conditions in our area.
Well, good news for us, but this is a monster storm. You just showed that stuff in New Mexico, parts of Texas. This is experiencing really bad weather, just incredible bad weather across much of the country. But yes, for us, this is actually a good thing. But look what happened today. This is along in areas of I-70 back towards parts of Colorado. Numerous roads shut down. I am seeing crashes. I am seeing numerous trees down. Winds there are gusting over 80 and 90 miles per hour. It is just incredible how strong this storm system is as it continues to move in towards the plains. Take a look at the radar picture, and you see what happens. This is what came through. This line right here came through Dallas earlier, came through New Mexico last night with those tornadoes, and now it's all about the area of low pressure, and this is the area we're seeing the strongest winds and the blizzard warnings, including areas like Denver and Colorado Springs, right up towards Rapid City and towards South Dakota. This storm system making its way toward the north and east, but look how much of the country is being affected by this storm. I mean, you've got high wind warnings here in the orange, the deep reds here. This is blizzard warning from Denver all the way towards the Canadian coast. Flood watches, wind advisories, high wind warnings, high wind watches, winter storm warnings. I mean, just incredible. Nearly 80% of the flights canceled in Denver. They should just close that airport because driving to and from that region are just nasty as well. And this is all moving our way. However, because the storm goes so far north and west of us, we are only going to get on the tail end of this. And Amelia, the tail end, not too bad for us, and actually gives us some nice weather tomorrow and maybe most of Friday.
Yeah, absolutely, Doug. I mean, we were just talking about how our Friday is looking mainly dry out there. And yeah, it's going to feel very much like spring, even warmer than today. But here's the storm system. As we continue to move on into the overnight and evening hours, it does advance toward the east. But you can see just some meager showers as the main system starts to push up toward the north and then continue off toward the east. This is tomorrow afternoon. We then head into Friday morning at 5 a.m. So ahead of this storm system, we're going to get nice southerly winds that's going to pump that warm, mild air into our area for tomorrow and your Friday as well. Maybe a shower back around the mountains Friday morning, but most of us are looking dry through the midday hours. For the afternoon and evening hours, though, some scattered showers out there, maybe a rumble of thunder. So here's what you can expect on your Friday. 57 degrees to start off the day, so already comfortable out there. A high of 71 on Friday. Again, maybe a shower out there during the morning and midday hours, but it's really later in the day on Friday when we'll have some scattered showers, some areas of rain, and maybe a rumble of thunder. Friday night heading out, 68 degrees at 7 p.m. as the storm system clears our area for the weekend. We're cooler, but we're completely dry both days. We have 54 on Saturday with breezy winds, 52 degrees on Sunday. So it's definitely feeling cooler, but Doug, we trade that off for a dry weekend. Also this weekend, St. Patrick's Day. That's why all the clovers are behind me on this graphic.
Absolutely, yeah, for sure. We're talking St. Patrick's Day looking okay, but on the cooler side, nice and mild here Thursday and Friday with that chance of showers, maybe some thunder. There's the cooler weather Amelia's talking about, and the breezy conditions, 20, 30 mile an hour winds on Saturday, a little bit less of a breeze on Sunday, and we stay cool just about all next week. It will be below average. Average high temperature next week climbs to 56. We'll finally get there next Thursday and Friday, but that's about it. So get ready for some cool weather. Guys, my wife asked me today, can we put away the winter coats, the ski coats?
Yeah.
Yes, you can. Keep out the jackets, though. You may need those.
All right. Good to know.
Yep.
Coming up, one of music's power couples is set to receive a special honor this evening here in Washington.
Gloria and Emilio Estevan will be presented with the Gershwin Prize at a special concert event. The award is from the Library of Congress for popular song. It honors living artists' lifetime achievement in promoting music to enhance cultural understanding. In addition to the Estevans, Cindy